Hello, my name is Deborah Laurel. You know, it's very important to know about generational differences so you can avoid misunderstandings at work and at home. Take Sharon, for instance. Sharon was having difficulty managing Ginny. She would ask Ginny to do something, and Ginny wouldn't do it. It had gotten to the point where Sharon felt that she needed to discipline Ginny. Sharon was a baby boomer and Ginny was a Gen Xer. Sharon had said to Ginny, "When you get a chance, please do this task." Any other baby boomer would have known that meant to do the task as soon as possible. However, Ginny took her assignment literally. As she tearfully explained during the disciplinary meeting, "I didn't do the task because I didn't get a chance. If Sharon had just told me to do it, I would have done it." Sharon realized that she should be more direct and make her expectations much clearer in the future. Ginny learned that if Sharon gave an assignment, she should do it. This type of cross-generational misunderstanding and miscommunication frequently happens in the workplace, in social settings, and in the home. There are 4 different generations in the workplace today, so it's important to understand their differences and anticipate where there might be potential conflict so it can be avoided if at all possible. If you're having difficulty communicating with different generations, come to our half-day program so that you can learn how to bridge the generation gap.